Hey, howdy, and welcome back to another episode of Red Ruby. So we are back here once again in Satisfactory. So last episode we went through and started making this factory here. So basically what this factory does is, it takes resources and turns it into other things. Basically what we're doing here is we're taking these two 60 nodes, which we're about to turn into 120 nodes, and making concrete out of them as an attempt to upgrade our steel production facility back there. So what we are going to do today is start by tearing down this entire second floor, because I'm bad at math and boo-booed some numbers. So let's rip it out. Okay, so there goes all of that. Now, the next thing we actually need to do is... now, we can't actually saturate the entire side of this conveyor belt as of yet. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just whip over here, and I really should have jumped in the vehicle, because we're going to grab all the power slugs that we currently have. And it's not many, if I remember. I think it's only like 4 or 5. And we're going to put 4 of them into miners. We have 5 power slugs. So we're going to scroll down to power shards. And we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll make 5. We'll split 1 off. And we'll put it back into the box. So quickly we'll whip back over to this miner over here. No, that miner over there. Because we've already done that miner. Well, that miner is actually on a... Sorry. That miner is on a normal node, which actually makes a lot more than this node here does. So we're going to put in power shards to make this make the amount that we want it to make. One, 2, 200%. That gives us 120 a minute, which will saturate those 2.5 machines. Then going to back this guy up and drive all the way over to the other side of this conveyor belt. I'm going to whack 2 more in here. Cool, so that gives us 240 going into the production there. We're now going to whip over to the factory over here, because we do need it to be functioning. And the whole point of this exercise was to get it functioning. Pull out that guy. Pull out that guy. Pull out that. Pull out that. Pull out that. Pull out that. I can pull that and that out. Need either of these guys, or that belt, or that belt, or that splitter. Pull that out of there. Pull that out of there. That out of there. Okay, so what we need to do now is actually figure out how we're going to do this. So, memory serves. I have to do the math again because I forgot to do it. So you need 16 per minute, and you output 10 per minute. So 1.5 will do... okay, so 1.5 of these will do 1 of these. Let's actually pull this out, because we can do that better. Rip that out. I'll rip out that power pole. Don't need these two conveyor belts. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab our assemblers. I'm going to run onto this side because reasons. I'm going to run it so that it goes like that. I'm going to stand directly in front of this and try and line up. Yeah, no, directly in front of this. And try and line up with that port. What we're going to do is we're going to grab ourselves logistics. Oh, no. I'm going to put one more in. We'll shoot down there. And now the aim here is that I want to grab some logistics. I'm going to go splitter. Oh, that's better go. Put you back in a minute. So we're going to put in a splitter here. Like so. They are not going to work. I then need a merger. Yeah. And a merger. There. Neither of those line up at all. And then I need a merger. Probably lined up with the two of these. Right about there. What I actually need to do now is go upstairs because I need to bring this all the way down the other end of the factory. I actually need to bring down half of one of the outputs of one of the machines up the top here. We are also then going to turn this guy into those. Like so. So this guy here is going to get a splitter on it. Like so. We should be fine. Which we are then going to put in, hopefully this will work, singular wall port, and we're going to send you to there. Cool, so far so good. I'm going to drop down here, didn't hurt, good. We're going to drop that to there. I'm going to grab this 3, and we're going to go really. Okay. That's not going to work either. How can I do this? I go there. Not working. Okay. Can I get from here? Nope. Need to bring this forward a little bit. Boop. Boop. 3 here, and then I'm going to grab a 4. Get up there. Should work. Out there looks good. And grab a 3 and take Damn it. Okay. Enough of this. Q on logistics splitter. Can I take the 3 from there? Great. Go from there into there. Give me a splitter. There. And then give me a working dot from there to there. Success. Okay. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Okay, so now, theoretically, what I have... So, out of there... Alright. Ah, what? That doesn't work. What the hell happened there? Merger. I do not understand what happened there. I'm gonna connect you into there. Gonna connect you into there. All the rest of these aren't actually connected. Cool. So you into there. That'll work. Cool. Now what we need is a production assembler. A stand here. You there. You there, and it's going to be the interesting one because put you there. Should be able to pull these two out, and there's at least some sort of logic there. Take 60, yep, still over. You to there. You there, damn, I could have gone that one. You into there. And then you into there. So that's those connected. Now all I need to do... I would have been better the way I originally set it up. Sometimes plans just don't work. This is one of those days. So what I need to do is grab my number 5s. I'm going to put up here. Too close. Damn. So let's try that again. I'm going to put up here. Tear you down, tear you down. I'm going to grab our number 3 and we're going to go from there all the way to here. We're going to grab some logistics splitters. And somewhere about there. I'm going to come out of there. And with the we want to make encased steel beams. I don't know if I'm getting the concrete yet because we're not getting concrete into the building. With some kind of luck, that's actually already taking the concrete in. So we'll put it in another splitter here. And then we'll take our number 4, come out of there, and with any kind of luck, straight in there. Grab our number 3, and that's not going to work. Pull that out, pull that out, pull that out. Number 3, down into that there machine. The next thing we need to do is really quickly, we're going to grab ourselves that piece of wall there. That bit of wall there. Q, because we actually want logistics belt 2. Upgrade that, upgrade that, upgrade that, and that one's probably not as much of a problem. What I do not need to upgrade anything else. Cool. So I need to grab them up to logistics belt. Figure out how far this way it can come. That should work. So we'll grab a wall. And then we'll grab a wall hanging point. Grab our logistics, tier 2 belt. Grab it from there, connect it to there. Then connect it into the building. Here comes our concrete. We'll quickly grab some power because, well, power. Okay, on that side there it is. That'll do those 2 machines. That'll do those machines. That should do those 2 machines. Even make this work. So you connect to you, you connect to you, connect to there, you connect to there, you connect to there. Also connect to there, which connects to that and connects to that. Also connects to that, which then connects to that. And you connect to edge pole. One needs to connect to that pole there, which then should turn everything back on. Looking good. You're not getting concrete. Damn. So close too. Okay, minor redesign. So 4 there, 3 belt connecting in there, to then be able to get a belt through here with some luck. We're gonna tear you down so that we can go the same thing here. And we're going to grab ourselves. I swore we would probably never use this again, but we are. Damn it. Connect you to there. Okay, splitters again. Splitter again. Boop to boop. And we connect that to there like so. We actually need to be tier 2 belt. That should be enough. That should get us the concrete into the machines that we want. Should be more than enough concrete. It's not the most effective way of doing it because we're using overflow here. But give us what we need. You're not set, are you? Encased industrial beam. Encased industrial beam. Now all three of them are taking stuff. And yeah, so only took us 2 episodes, but we have in fact doubled our concrete out there. We have in fact doubled our encased industrial beam production. Woot! So we have disconnected power from what were you supposed to be connected to? The problem here is that I don't actually know what you're supposed to be connected to. Okay, give me somewhere over here that I can connect that to, so that I can connect that to. Now we have power up here again. Woohoo! So we're actually getting somewhere. We got the end here. We are outputting these guys. We will be outputting some of the steel. Actually, we'll be outputting a lot of steel pipe to do things with. But half of the steel pipe, steel beams that come out of this guy here, will be going off into some kind of storage. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we are going to jump all the way over here and we're going to finish the concrete production. Because, as it would seem, we missed that guy. So, this is not a problem because we have actually allowed for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a splitter here. Put it back, I'm thinking. Somewhere there. Okay, one there. One there. Memory says we can only do 2.5 of each 120. So let's go. I'm gonna whack that down there. I'll put in a 3 here. I'm gonna jump in here. I'm gonna grab some 2s. Rip out that wall. We're gonna put in the unfortunately double wall. Grab our 2s again. Logistics. Level 2 belts. That connects that to there. We're going to grab a number 3s and we're going to connect that to that guy. Guy to that guy. And we're going to grab our Mark II belt again. Bring that straight in there. So that's 120 into here. And then what I'm going to really quickly do is actually tell these guys to make concrete. We'll have to give them power and we will be laughing. Concrete. 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 You need better merges. So you guys are all going to output in that direction. 120 belt is going to be ample for quite a while, in fact. So there's that. Take our 3s outputs. Didn't want to jump down. Back up the top here. Here's, I'm going to take you. No. Right, power's coming in from that end. That's okay then. Now the hope here... Okay, so let's try that again. Q, belt 2, bang. Tell me that I put the rest at least in the right spots. It's looking good so far. Awesome. Now, this is where the system's going to fail us because I don't know that there's a wall piece that's going to allow for that to come through there. So... it's going to have to be an opening, isn't it? I've got nothing. So we'll just have to go over the top of both of those pieces. Actually, yeah, no, both those pieces. Because, like so, and we're going to grab logistics 4. Okay, 5. Mark 2 belt. From there. I'm going to can't afford it. Well, isn't it a good thing that just over here is what I'm looking for then? You, give me 100. Mark 2 conveyor belts. Come out of there. We're actually going to go onto this. Mark 2 conveyor belts. Back into that. Whack another one on there. Then gonna go from there up to there. Want a storage bin. Probably a double storage bin. Nope, single it is. You know what? Just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna grab logistics, 2, break that down, grab our number 2 here, and connect it straight into there. There we go, we now have concrete storage. Woot woot. Yeah, that's it. And that's the concrete production done. So thank you very much, guys, for joining us. Stay tuned for some more content coming out shortly. We have Minecraft every Monday. Well, Pigs and Minecraft to be precise. Planet Coaster every Tuesday. No more Surviving Mars, as that series is finished. If you have any suggestions, whack a comment down the bottom if you've got a series that you'd like to see us do. If you like the video... Oh, sorry, Satisfactory on Thursdays, this one here. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down. Button works as well. Hit subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to see the content as we post it. Don't forget to check out the Discord on your screen right now. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.